Hi, first graders. Welcome to your lesson 24 sound spelling card lesson. This week you are going to be learning a lot of new spellings. This week is going to be a bit of a challenge, so I hope that you're ready for it. The good news is that the sound that you're learning is not new. So we are going to be using what you already learned when you learned the uniform card. Hopefully you remember the uniform card. The uniform card is helping us with that long U sound. So that silent E at the end of the word that makes the U say you. You also learn that sometimes this spelling makes the sound oo. So U blank E can say you or oo. So this week we're going to be practicing that sound oo with the moon card. So you'll see that U blank E is down here at the bottom. You've already learned that spelling though, so we're not going to practice that one this week. That's just so you can see that you already know this sound. But you are going to be learning 3 new spellings for this sound. You'll notice that the first spelling, O-O, you've learned that already also. You learned that last week, but you learned that O-O sometimes says So when you're reading a word and it has an O-O in it, it might say and it might say ooh. You have to read the rest of the letters and see which one makes the most sense. The other 2 spellings that you're going to learn are E-W, which makes the sound ooh, like the moon card, and O-U, which sometimes makes the sound ooh. So you've got a lot of new spellings to practice this week, but I think you should probably be up for the challenge. So I'm going to be showing you some words in the text box here so that you can see how we'll use these different sounds. And then later today, hopefully you'll take a spelling pretest to see what words you need to work on this week before your final test on Friday. So the first word I want to practice with you is the word that describes when something is kind of cold. We would say that that thing is cool. So the word cool has the sounds k, ool, k, ool. Another word that we're going to practice that has a different spelling is a word that described what you did from being a baby to where you are now. You grew. So the word grew has the sounds g, r, oops, where is it? There we go. G, r, oo. And it's a different spelling than EW spelling. G, r, oo, grew. The next word that we're going to work on is something that you might eat if you're not feeling very good. And it'll warm you up and it'll make your tummy feel better. That thing is soup. So the sounds in soup are s, oop. It's got that third spelling. O-U makes the oo sound. Oop. Soup. Another word that we're going to practice, excuse me, is the thing that a witch flies on around Halloween. That thing is a broom. Broom starts with the blend brr, ooh, It's got that O-O spelling. Broom. Broom. One last word, and this word describes what the bird did when it headed south for the winter. It flew. Flew also starts with the blend full, ooh, flew with that EW spelling. So again, first graders, I hope you're up for the challenge. This is not going to be easy, but I believe in you. I have confidence in you that you will definitely master these 3 new spellings for our moon card with the sound ooh. If you want to practice in your reading practice book, you can work on page 113. That will help you practice these spellings in some different words. And then you've got your spelling list on the website that you can work on all this week. And I'll be giving you some more ideas of things to work on as the week goes. Good luck. We'll see you later. Bye.